हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपको द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस क्लास 3 के बुक में से एक टॉपिक बताने जा रही हूँ। इसका नाम है पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Plants can grow in the plains, in deserts, on mountains, and on water. They exist in different shapes, sizes, and colors. It is important for us to understand the basic structure of a plant and its functions. A plant can be divided into two main parts. The part that grows below the ground, known as root, and the part that grows above the ground, known as the shoot. The shoot consists of stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. So see friends, this is our root inside the soil, and the shoot is outside the soil. And see the roots. This is a system of an taproot. In taproots there are two types of root. First, secondary root and primary root. And this is the stem, the bud, the flower, the fruit, the leaves, and this is the shoot. The whole system is a shoot. So now we are going to study about roots. So let's start. The root anchors the plant to the soil and above and water and minerals. There are two main types of root: taproot and fibrous root. Till I tell you that this is a taproot system, we are going to study more about taproot. So let's know what is the basic system of taproot. Some plants such as mango, radish, and carrot have one main root growing straight downwards from the stem into the soil. This main root is called the primary root. Smaller roots known as lateral roots grow from the primary root. This kind of root is called the taproot. So as we all can see that the main root, you all know that carrot is a radish is also a root, and turnip is also a root. So these are types of taproot because these small roots are roots are lateral roots, and this main root is primary root. So let's go on fibrous root. Now we are going to learn about fibrous root. Plants such as grass, coconut, and onion have several tiny roots growing from the end of the stem. These kind of root are known as fibrous root. Many trees begin life with a taproot, but after few years change into a fibrous root system. So people say that when there is a tree growing, so some trees are like these, that first their roots are like taproots, but when the main root, primary root, get smaller and the later roots be big, that so when the people see that, so they think that they are the fibrous root. So that's why it is written that. Well, grass and onion. Now I'm going to tell some facts about fibrous root. Some weeds have fibrous root system. It makes it very hard to pull them out of the ground. Pulled out weeds can grow back from any root that have been left behind in the soil. Now maybe you people would think that what is meaning of weed. So I'm going to tell you that meaning of weeds are seeds. Now we are going to learn about a stem. So let's start. The stem is the main part of the shoot, which bears branches, leaves, buds, and flowers. As we can see I have told you that it is shoot and this is the main part, the stem. These are bud, flower, fruit, leaves, and the stem, and whole thing is the shoot. So now we are going to learn more about the stem. The stem transports water and minerals from the root to all parts of the plant and supports the weight of the plant. It also carries food made by the leaves to other parts of the plant. Some plants have strong stems like trees. Others have weak stems like herbs and climbers. We are going to learn about leaves. Leaves grow on stems. Like we all know that leaf is a part of shoot, and everything that is on the shoot grows on the stem. So let's read. They are responsible for converting sunlight into food. Plants manufacture food using carbon dioxide and water. This is in the presence of sunlight and a green colored pigment called chlorophyll, which is found in all green plants. This process of making food by green plants is known as photosynthesis. Photo meaning light and synthesis meaning mixing together. Oxygen is released during this process. Is stored in different parts of plant in the form of starch and sugar. So many one of you were thinking that what is meaning of chlorophyll and what is meaning of photosynthesis. So I am going to tell that chlorophyll is a green colored pigment that are found in green plants, but they can also be found in green stems like a money. So see, a tree has green leaves. So inside the green leaves there is a green colored pigment which is called chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll attracts the sunlight. So the leaves use sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make their food. So that's why it is known as chlorophyll. Now I'm going to tell you the meaning of photosynthesis. You can see that photo meaning light and synthesis meaning mixing together. make food means the leaves made food attracting the sunlight. So when they made the food, the oxygen is released when this process starts. So the whole process is called photosynthesis. Now you would think starch and sugar. What is the starch and sugar? Sugar you all know, and starch also you all know. So starch and sugar are the food of the tree or a plant. So now we complete the leaves. So now we are coming to flowers. Flowers also grow on the stems. They can be of different shapes and colors. Flowers are structures responsible for reproducing seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Thus, flowers help a plant grow more of its own kind. Some flowers change into fruit. Most of the fruit also have seeds inside them. Responsible to make more among them. So for that, most of the flower turn into a fruit, and most of the fruit have seeds. So when we plant the seed, there is one more plant. So now we are going to see that what are seeds. So what are seeds? Seeds can be of different shapes, sizes and colors. A seed grows into a plant. We can eat certain seeds, and these are known as edible seeds. Examples are wheat, rice, beans, pulse and sunflower and pumpkin. Some seeds are, however, inedible and we do not consume them. So there are certain seeds that we can eat. They are called edible seeds, and there are certain seeds we cannot eat, and they are called inedible seeds. So edible seeds examples are rice, corn, beans and wheat. And for inedible we have dates, mango and watermelon. Certain seeds. Inedible seeds are used to plant and we have a new tree. But edible seeds are that we can eat. Hi everyone, I hope that you like this chapter, parts of the plant. We will come again with a new video. Bye.